In this video, I want to show you triangular arbitrage on kucoin. So if you don't have kucoin, I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create account with kucoin. You will receive a welcome bonus. Let me get into this video. You need to go to your trade over here, trade, and search GFT. First thing you need to do is you will be buying GFT. You'll be buying GFT with USDT. Like this, for instance, you have $500 to trade this coin. $500. You'll be receiving 9,803.922215 worth of GFT. I'm going to copy this. Then next thing you need to do is go back. You need to find this pair over here, GFT. This Bitcoin pair with this GFT coin. You just need to press over here. I'm going to press the GFT we use this our money to buy USDT to buy on the exchange. If you see over here, you'll be receiving this amount of Bitcoin selling our $500 worth of GFT we bought on this exchange. And I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go back. I'm going to search for BTC pair and USDT. I'm going to do the same thing again, then paste the BTC we are receiving. So right now, you'll be making a $10 profit on this trade using $500 to do this trade. So make sure you do your own research. This is not a financial advice. I just try to give you guys big update. This is actually a good trade. If you are able to make this, you make your own research, you are okay with the risk and reward, you can just make $10 in few minutes. In every day. If you can do it as much as possible, as much as you can still make profit with this kind of trade. So basically, if you want to get this stay more update on my channel and you want to know this updates in real time, I'm going to leave a Telegram group in the video description so you'll be able to receive trading sign or some other community activities we want to do, because with a lot of people, a lot of good community, you can actually make money together. Because this is the reason why I'm saying this. Next bull run on cryptocurrency, with a good community, we can do better things together. And you can also give me your feedback, what you think about this video in the comment section, and let me know what you want me to talk about on my channel and any suggestion about this content on my channel and what to improve. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. So basically, you can do this, and if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.